It started with a partridge fine in a tree that wasn't mine. Then turtle doves polite, aware, arrived and started nesting there. 3 French hens with accents thick moved in and built a politics. By tea time 4 more birds had come. I brewed a pot for everyone. Why are there so many birds? Who thought this through? Who drew these curves? They coo, they cluck, they shed, they squawk. I can't hear Grandma when she talks. It's Christmas, not a poultry fair. Why are there so many birds in here? 5 goldfinch steal the golden rings. They've started bands, they all can sing. 6 geese a-laying around the clock. The floorboards creak, the neighbors knock. 7 swans a-swimming indoors. 8 hens conducting minor wars. I've boarded up the nursery door, and still they're laying more and more. Why are there so many birds? They formed a choir, rehearsed the words. They harmonize in 12-tone squawks. They steal my shoes and eat my socks. I love you, dear, your gift's sincere, but why are there so many birds in here? I counted once, I counted twice, 364 precise. The sky went dark, the sun withdrew. The air itself began to coo. The cat packed up and moved away. The postman leaves my mail in hay. The carolers won't cross the yard. They've seen the flocks, they've signed my card. Why are there so many birds? It's Christmas, not the end of earth. They peck the tree, they steal